Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope you guys are doing great. So, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to design a birthday flyer on your Pixellab with a smartphone. So, without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's business. So, the first thing I have to do right now is to bring out the image I want to use. So, you click your plus button and you click on from gallery. So let me look for the image I downloaded the image since a long time ago, so let me search for it. Good. So this is the image I'm using without editing the background. So the next thing, you have to click on this place, then you go to your relative size, then you increase it from here and you here and you here. So you have to bring it down here. Good. The background is already well set, so you don't have to tamper with the background or to remove the background. The next thing now you have to do right now is to click here and then you lock it so that it can actually make you to able to edit wherever you want to edit. So the next thing I'm going to click on the plus button, then you write happy birthday. It's not going to take much of our time, so you write happy. So the next thing we are doing right now, we are giving it this white color. So um we are giving it under font. So the font we are giving it is this taken by fortune. We are using taken by fortune, the first one. So if you don't have the if you don't have the font, you can go to your font.com to get the font taken by fortune. So the next thing now is to write the birthday, happy birthday. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to the font again, then you change the font to taken by fortune, the first one. Okay, it seems I did both the same thing here. So you increase the size. So increase the size of the text so you can actually drag it. Good. So what I'm going to do right now is to change the color. So you click on the color, then you click on plus, then you click on this, then you click on this to pick the color from this small close. So you have to be careful when picking the color here. So this is the color I want to pick. This. It's good. So you have to be careful on when picking it. Good. So the next thing now is to click OK. Can you see it right now? So next I'm going to write is happy birthday mommy Gio. So you go to your plus button, then you write mommy Gio. Mommy Gio. So you change it to capital letter. So you put it here. You put it here. So the next thing I'm going to write now is to go to your font, then you change the font. I change the font to this. Good. I love this font a little bit. So the next thing I'm going to write now is to write the date. So you click your plus button, then you click here, then you click 23 June. Yeah, 23 June. So you change it to this, then you actually bring it down here. So you change the font to something that we use right now, recent. So it seems to use this. Okay, good. So the next thing now is to increase the size a little bit. Increase the size. Good. Then change the color to blue. So I want to pick it out from the open cloth again. So just pick it out. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your stroke, then give it another stroke color. Then give it this white. Actually move this one a little bit here. Good. then also this one here. So the next thing I'm writing right now is to bring out my shape. Then I place it here. So what I'm writing is you click on this geo, duplicate it, then you write may the goodness of the Lord, goodness of the Lord be with you right now and forevermore. So change the capital letter, then you increase it a little bit. You decrease it, then you have to put it here. Good. So you have to bring this one a little bit here. So the next thing is to change the color of this. Change it to this blue. You duplicate it again, then you bring it down here. So position it. So this I was able to get this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on my plus button, then click on sticker, then you can actually choose any of these. This sticker, then you place it here. So you change the color of the sticker to this. Good. So this how I was able to get this one. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to your to your save as project and save as image. So save it as a project and actually save it as image. So it's just, when you want to save it as image, save it as PNG and as very high, then save to your gallery. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to um to to press the bell icon if you are new. To subscribe also if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share for other people to see this video. So as you do so, may God bless you. Amen. Thank you.